Good morning, guys. So today is a Saturday, and we have some plans finally. It's not gonna be a boring Saturday because my friends planned something for us. So we're gonna go to a museum in Antipolo. So I don't know if I'm gonna enjoy it, but we'll see. I'm willing to try new things at my age right now. So hopefully ma-enjoy natin siya, and maybe later we can go to some coffee shops or good restaurants because we love food. And I'll bring you guys to the journey and hope you guys enjoy. And if you do enjoy, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Yan, big.
Hindi pa.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi.
Ano yung tinirahan mo doon, ano? Apartment?
Condo.
Oh.
Tricycle. Ayan.
So,
Oh my God. This
you were
is
living the life already.
life of a showgirl. Yeah. Wow. Oh, this is my mall. I love
My
this
mall.
I love this mall. Oo. Kilala ko na lahat ng tao dyan. Totoo yun. Alam mo naman tayo.
Eh, syempre, kahit saan ka naman magpunta, you're the, ano,
Yeah, I'm the Alpha ba? I'm the Galinda. I'm the Galinda. Doon na siya, eh, no? Ayun na, the Wicked Witch, andyan na siya, maging mabait ka. I'm Alpha ba? I'm Galinda.
you're the darling of the crowd.
Darling of the crown.
Tapos nagtingin.
Darling yan! Si Darling. Teka. I'm
Ang sarap ng hangin. Sobrang init. Dapat magandang pumunta dito mga ano eh. Gabi. Para hindi mainit eh. Grabe init. But it was good. Tikman natin. Hindi masarap sa dagat.
Saan yung dagaw?
Ay, sa Tomas.
Papalit na akong nut.
Iwan ang baga.
Umalis.
Okay, so coffee naman ang next. Grabe, sobrang busog ko na. Sobrang sarap ng pagkain dito sa museum. So if you guys are gonna go here, don't miss eating sa... I forgot the name of the restaurant, but really good. I just got home from the museum trip. So if you guys are gonna go to Pinto Art Museum in Antipolo, I suggest you bring an umbrella, a Jisoo Live fans or any electronic fan kasi sobrang init niya. But it was a really good experience kasi syempre, there's a lot of arts at sobrang laki nung museum. It was huge that you can easily get lost. And if you go outside, there's actually um, some sort of forest sa labas ng museum, which is really amazing. And it actually felt like a good reset as well kasi medyo nag-slow down din kami. We just really spent time appreciating the art. And the best part about the museum trip, I think, is the food. We went to Jose Rizal. I think it was Jose Rizal Cafe. And it was really good. Sobrang nabusog kami sa pagkain. We ordered pasta. It's a little bit pricey for just the three of us. I think we spent 4,000 plus. But it was worth it kasi sobrang sarap ng pagkain nila, especially the pasta. You guys need to try the pasta. We were not able to try yung coffee nila. I think they have really good coffee kasi it's a coffee shop as well. But we focus on just eating kasi it was lunchtime already. Am I gonna go back there? Probably not. If I will in the future, I might go there siguro pag malamig, not during summertime. Kasi yung init talaga ang kalaban mo when you're going around the museum and trying to be able to experience all parts of the museum. So, yun lang talagang naging problema. But so far, it was good. I had a good laugh with my friends. I'm sure you guys saw some of the jokes. Sa sasakyan pa lang papunta, we had a lot of jokes and it was nice. So right now, I'm actually at home and it's almost 6 p.m. And so nagdidilim na. And I'm just preparing kasi I have another trip going to Zambales. So we are going to the beach this weekend and it's gonna be fun kasi it's just 2.5 hour drive from here going to Zambales. So if you guys want to go to the beach and you don't wanna spend a lot of money or travel via plane, it's just 2.5 hour drive. You can go to Zambales and I'll show you guys the experience in Zambales as well, but at least you can get an idea if it's something that you guys would like to also visit. And yeah, so let's go and prepare. Bye.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world...
It's actually our second day here in ASEA. So, nasa loob ako ng bathroom kasi nahiya ako mag-vlog sa labas with my roommates. But so far, sobrang relaxing naman. But on the second day, parang namimiss ko na yung kama ko, yung bahay ko. So, I don't know. Tonight, we're gonna have a dinner party. And I have to prepare and hindi pa ako naka-move on from yesterday because I was so drunk. And hanggang ngayon meron pa rin akong hangover, but I'll do my best to be able to enjoy tonight because it's our last night here in Subic. So, let's go at tayo na'y mag-prepare. Good morning to the person. It's our third day here in Asia. Asea? Asia. Yeah, so as I was saying, hindi ako haggard today. Hindi tayo nalasing kagabi. Hindi tayo nakapag-inuman. Kinonserve natin ang energy natin. Natulog tayo. And I think there's nothing wrong with that. If you want to miss out on some fun, just to preserve your energy, just to feel okay, I think that's fine. I think we have to think about ourselves first. So that's that. We're gonna go back to Manila and tomorrow back to work. Not excited about it, but we gotta work because bills don't pay themselves. At tingnan nyo naman, mayroong mga fish dito. Can you guys see the fish? Ayan, may mga fish oh. Ayan, may fish. There are fishes. I don't know if you can see it, pero mayroong mga isda. Ayan. So it's really nice.